Hey there. Have you ever felt like you're sending your sales pitch like through a messenger pigeon, hoping they will find the right receiver in the old days? Well, hold on to your hats because today we're diving into the warm waters of warm selling and the icy chill of cold selling in the digital marketing world. Okay, I know the struggle to find quality leads is real. I know it for sure. You're likely spending countless hours and resources like I did for many years going to trade shows in Geneva and Frankfurt and in Barcelona and just to get, leads for our event company. And while the word of mouth and referrals can be gold, they often take time to cultivate, leaving you with sleepless nights and empty pockets. Now, let's talk about the issues about the old school cold approach. And it's about, shouting into that empty space and hoping for that echo. Sure, you might get a few leads here and there, but that's what it is. There are here and there. They're not consistent. Nothing is consistent when they're here and there. And those trade shows and circuits, they're exhausting and expensive, and they have no guarantee on your return on investment, right? So don't get me started on the days when we used to send out, spamming emails and hitting every networking event in town because we have to be everywhere, because we have to know everybody. Unfortunately, many of you still do. I know this for a fact. I know this. I hear this every single day. So if you're still playing the numbers game, it's time to get a reality check. Cold selling lands you some leads, but they're unlikely to stick around for the long haul or, sing praises to others. Now, warm selling on the other side, it's your ticket to building, that genuine connection and loyal clients. Now, I want you to picture this. Instead of bombarding potential clients with generic pitches, you're focusing on creating valuable content, engaging or socializing actually on social media, and empowering your audience with knowledge, right? That is the whole purpose about warm selling. Now, you're just not only selling your services, you are creating demand for your services and you are building a community at the same time. Plus, you also, of course, when it comes to social media, you're using tools that are free, right? Not only that, if you give your potential clients what they actually need through, for example, a lead magnet, you are already removing the cold selling into a warm selling instantaneously. They get what they want. You give them what you know they actually do need. You nurture them with a few simple emails because you need to keep on warming them. And then when you are in a better position, you make that leap to the sale because they already know you. And also because you've already actually helped them with the problem they already have. You have actually solved the problem. So with warm selling, you're not just simply attracting leads. You are cultivating relationships. Now, I want you to think about creating referrals as well for your happy clients, a steady stream of inbound inquiries, and a reputation as the go-to expert in your field. Plus, it is very cost-effective and sustainable the way that if you create referral for your clients, meaning more time and resources for actually what matters the most, which is serving your client. So my question to you, are you ready to ditch the cold calls and embrace the warmth of the genuine connection. It is time to actually rethink your sales strategy. This is the moment to you start creating valuable content and to engage with your audience on social media and offer them irresistible lead magnets and follow up with personalized emails and nurture those leads like they're the most important person in the world. Because you know what? They actually are the most important person in the world. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you same time, same place next week.